Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching videos on professional management training which will be brought to you by Kenke General Management Consultancy Service. This service will be given in three languages: English, Amharic, Afan Oromo. Today our topic of training will be Six Sigma. This video has been prepared by Girma Neguse lecturer, Department of Management, Haramaya University. Consequently, we are going to start with the topic of Six Sigma. Here are the outlines: definition of Six Sigma, roadmap of Six Sigma, improvement cycle of Six Sigma, company succeeded in Six Sigma. The first one is definition. What does Six Sigma mean? As a contemporary management issues, Six Sigma is a set of techniques and tools for process improvement. This has been first introduced by the American engineer Bill Smith, who working in Motorola in 1986. So here Six Sigma is allowing for identifying unforeseen problems in the production process, unforeseen problems, and longer term issues when calculating failure error or rework rates. So here is calculating failure errors. How many errors are there per production, per a given production? How many errors will be there per a given service delivery? How many error or defect services are there? How many defect products are there? So how many times we are going to go for the maintaining of those defect products? Number of times that we are fixing those defect services. Again, it allows for process shift. Yes, process will need to be shifted, just avoiding non-value adding process and going only with the value adding processes. A new way of doing business. It is a new method of doing businesses. Wise application of a statistical tool within a structured methodology. It is a statistical methodology, so it will be applied in a business or in a company. Here, the roadmap of Six Sigma, here it will be shortly abbreviated as DMAC. Here is define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Here we say that Six Sigma is improvement of processes. We may just take as illustration producing pizza production. Here, while producing pizza, here the pizza should not be defective. The defective pizza is it could be due to the inputs, due to the cheese, due to the onion, due to how it has been cooked, or the time that it will be spent in the oven, or the technique, the mix, how you are going to add the standard of all the ingredients for that pizza. So this will causes the defective pizza will causes customer dissatisfaction. Hence, we can just relate with this idea. First, defining the problem and objectives. What kind of problems are there or objective to be achieved in order to attain some products which is more quality, high level of quality. Then you need to measure defects. What were the defect for the pizzas? Causes for the customer dissatisfaction. Is it due to staying too long time in the oven? It may be burned pizza, or it may be too much cheese, too much onions, or all the ingredient has not been segregated. That could be need to be measured, the amount, the number, the percent. Then analyze. You have to analyze how are we going to standardize this? How are we standardizing the amount of onion to be added, amount of pizza per a single, amount of cheese per a single pizza. So the size of even the bread itself, because this all causes for a quality pizza production. Then improve. You need to improve that defect, that something or some incident that causes defects. You need to fix it. We need to plan for further improvement. Then after that, controlling means checking whether it has been continuously or whether the improvement has been sustained. Here, as we can see, application of Six Sigma can be applied in service industry, Six Sigma can be applied in design, in purchasing, in production, in administration, in quality department, in human resource, in management, in marketing and sales, or in IT. So it is regardless of the type of organization. It could be in production, the physical product, or it could be in service. Also, Six Sigma can be applied. According to different scientific evidences, there are 5,000 incorrect surgical operations per week by medical doctors. So this is amazing figure. And also 200,000 wrong drug prescription per year by doctors. So this is alarming. 2 crash landing at most major airports each day. 20,000 lost article of mail per hour. So all these are the defects. All these are the defects. The problem of this is due to proper quality management, due to proper application of all the standards, all the inputs, or it could be the time, or it could be various problems, could be at the back is there. So there is a defect. Improvement cycles will be one component of Six Sigma PDCA plan. While implementing the Six Sigma, we have to plan first what to accomplish and the objective. Then after planning, the plan needs to be turned into action. Then after action, we need to continuously check out. We need to continuously control it, whether we have achieved or not. Then after that, if there is some defect, we have to act accordingly and correct. If there are some positive aspect, we have to sustain that. So it will be in the cyclical form. So in figure or statistically, as we say that it is Six Sigma is statistical methodology. Here is Six Sigma, as we can see here. Six Sigma is the defects per million, 3.4 defects per million of product. Let's say if this pizza, as we say that, per 1 million pizza, there are 3.4 defective pizzas. So it is too much. This is almost perfection. In terms of percent, 99.9997%. This is almost closer to 100%. It's closer to perfection. That is said to be Six Sigma. For instance, 5 Sigma is 233 defects per 1 million products or per 1 million services. Then maybe for instance 2 Sigma means 308,537 defects per 1 million, or in terms of percent it is 69.1% defectless production. So here most of the current companies standard is almost around 95% defectless production will be met. Maybe if it just goes towards this 99.997%, it will be a world class. Six Sigma companies. Which companies has applied Six Sigma? Like Black & Decker, General Electric, Motorola, Sony company has applied, and they made with a successful accomplishment. General Electric, good example from General Electric. In 1995, General Electric mandated its employees to work towards achieving Six Sigma. The average process at General Electric was 3 Sigma in 1995. In 1997, the average reached 3.5 Sigma. General Electric goal was to reach 6 Sigma by 2001. Investment in Six Sigma training and projects reached $45 million in 1998. But they get profit increased by 1.2 billion. Although they spend 45 million for training and projects of Six Sigma, the return is too much. The return is 1.2 billion. This is so many folds or so many folds of that of the what General Electric has spent. Has been said by Jack Welch, Chief Executive Officer, General Electric Company. The other company is Motorola. Motorola, as we said earlier, the engineer who has just come up with this philosophy is just from Motorola company. So Motorola, they say that at Motorola we use statistical method daily throughout all of our disciplines to synthesize an abundance of data to derive concrete action. How has the use of statistical method within Motorola Six Sigma initiative across disciplines contribute to our growth? Over the past decade, we have reduced in-process defects by over 300 fold. 300 times they reduced defects from their production, which has resulted in cumulative manufacturing cost saving of over $11 billion. This is too much for Motorola company. $11 million have been saved due to applying the Six Sigma. Thank you very much. This is the video for today. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much.